In this video, we will discuss MCQs from 476 to 500. And that MCQs are very helpful if you are preparing for competitive exams. As you already know, we have started 1000 MCQs, the most important MCQs of Park studies. So, without wasting our time, let's move toward the MCQs number 476. Which article of the 1973 Constitution defines Pakistan as an Islamic Republic? The answer is Article 1. MCQ number 477. Which article of the Constitution defines the procedure for amendment? The answer is Article 239. MCQs number 478. Which article deals with the fundamental rights of citizen? The answer is Part 2, Chapter number 1, Article from 8 to 28. MCQs number 479. Under which article can the President dissolve the National Assembly? The answer is Article 58. MCQs number 480. Which article defines the qualifications for the Prime Minister? The answer is Article 62. MCQs number 481. Which article defines these qualifications for membership of Parliament? The answer is Article 63. MCQs number 481. Which article deals with the establishment of the Senate? The answer is Article 59. MCQs number 483. Which article guarantees freedom of speech? The answer is Article 19. MCQs number 484. Which article defines establish the Federal Shariat Court? The answer is Article 203. These are very important MCQs which are mostly asked in the past paper related to the articles of Pakistan. MCQ number 485. Which article deal with the appointment of the Chief Justice of Pakistan? The answer is Article 175A. MCQ number 486. Which article defines the composition of the National Assembly? The answer is Article 51. MCQ number 487. Which article establishes the Council of Common Interest CCI? The answer is Article 153. MCQ number 488. Which article deals with the Auditor General of Pakistan? The answer is Article 168. MCQ number 489. Which article provides for joint sitting of Parliament in case of disagreement? The answer is Article 70. MCQ number 490. Which article deals with the emergency provisions for internal disturbance? The answer is Article 232. MCQ number 491. Which article defines the responsibilities of the Prime Minister in Cabinet system? The answer is Article 91. MCQ number 492. Which article empowers the President to grant pardon, reprieve, or remit punishment? The answer is Article 45. MCQ number 493. Which article deals with Islamic provisions in Pakistan legal system? The answer is Article 227. MCQ number 494. Which articles defines the provisional autonomy after the 18th Amendment? The answer is Article 140A. MCQ number 495. Which articles deals with the Council of Islamic Ideology? The answer is Article 228. MCQ number 496. Which article defines the procedure for removal of the President? The answer is Article 47. MCQ number 497. Which article provides for caretakers set up before elections? The answer is Article 224A. MCQ number 498. Which article deals with the procedure for appointment of the governors? The answer is Article 101. MCQ number 499. Which article provide for the National Finance Commission (NFC)? The answer is Article 160. MCQs number 500, last but not the least, which article allows restriction of fundamental rights in the interest of Islam or sovereignty? The answer is Article A and 227. We have covered half of the MCQs series, 500 MCQs. In the next coming video, we will discuss MCQs from 501 to 525. And these are very important MCQs for your preparations. Thanks for your attention.